Hello everyone and welcome. Thank you for choosing to spend some time with us today. Over the past 18 months, we've been reviewing the SEO chat community. We've seen some interesting groups form, including a great collection of moderators and power users. As a result, over the past several months, we have developed a new resource for SEO chat. We call it the Guild. We designed it to do three things. 1. It had to save you time searching for answers and good SEO information. 2. Each month it had to save you money spent on tools and SEO resources. And 3. It had to provide you with unlimited access to the pros in our industry. To make all of it possible, we've teamed up with one of the most reputable SEO news and update sources on the web. Next, we handpicked a tool provider that is recognized and used by over 500,000 users worldwide. And finally, we signed agreements with over a dozen industry professionals to provide you with unlimited SEO insight and Q&A support. In addition to all of these amazing resources, we are also giving members that sign up one free site audit to be used on a site of your choosing. So, on behalf of Jim, myself, and everyone at Internet Marketing Ninjas, it is my pleasure to welcome you in our first SEO Masters Society. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the Guild.